Hi! In this video concerns good battery chargers for lawn mowers that provide an instant jump start. We made sure to have the high-quality yet affordable ones on the list to get the best value for money. Without waiting any further, let's start. Number 1. Now, we discuss about ABLY Smart Battery Charger. So let's start. Key specifications. Input voltage, 120 voltage. Item weight, 560 grams. Cooling fan, yes. Material, ABS PC housing. Key features. The ABLY Smart Battery Charger is perfect because it has versatile modes that can charge various batteries. One of the best parts about the battery charger is that it has total protection phenomena, keeping your battery safe from potential accidents. We like how the battery charger has an inbuilt cooling fan, which helps keep its efficiency intact. The battery charger automatically switches the mode to meet the changing needs of your battery. It is not just a battery charger, but also a battery maintainer, which helps restore and maintain. The ABLY Smart Battery Charger is great as it restores the lost battery life and provides a powerful engine start. It is better than the 29-amp one because it is sufficient and provides multi-stage charging modes. If you are considering getting an ABLY Smart Charger, you shouldn't wait because its versatile modes will be a game changer. It has a summer mode, normal mode, AGM mode, motorcycle mode, truck mode, etc. It has the newest CPU control, which helps adjust the temperature according to the weather. It avoids overload in the summer and provides sufficient charge in the winter. One of the best parts about the battery chargers is that it is highly compatible with various batteries except for a lithium one. It has a phenomenal pulse repair function that helps extend battery life and improve health. It has a reverse polarization technology, which is ideal for protection against short circuit, overheating, and overcurrent. Pros: intelligent digital display, newest CPU control, removes vulcanization, temperature control. Cons: slow customer service. Our recommendation: if you are looking for a charger and maintainer that avoids vulcanization, the ABLY Smart Charger is an apt choice. We like how it has a plug-and-play mechanism that provides stable power, making charging a worry-free process. Number 2. Now, we discuss about battery tender plus 12-volt battery charger and maintainer. So let's start. Key specifications. Input voltage, 12 volts. Item weight, 15.8 ounces. Cooling fan, yes. Amperage, 1.25 amps. Key features. The Battery Tender Plus charger provides safe and fast charging that fits most vehicles. It can keep a battery charged for longer and maintain proper voltage to increase its health. The battery charger has 4 charging modes with float mode to optimize its power and make it more efficient. Battery Tender Plus uses instant pulse repair technology, which helps in preventing potential battery failures. It is very easy to set up, requires no maintenance, and has LED indicators for each charging stage. The Battery Tender Plus Smart Charger is better than the 10-amp variant because it works perfectly to charge a dead lawn mower. We like its automatic temperature detection mechanism, which helps to avoid overcharging. It has both summer and winter models, providing sufficient power for your battery needs. The Battery Tender Plus charger is a great 12-volt battery charger for lawn mowers because it is pocket-sized, low-maintenance, and efficient. It is perfect for charging SUV, marine, and deep-cycle batteries. It has 4 charging stages, optimizing battery power and making it more long-lasting. One of the best parts about the Battery Tender Plus charger is its solid battery protection feature. The charger has battery-compatible controls that detect current temperature and delivers power according to that. The material used for the charger is fire-resistant and also short-circuit proof. We like how the battery charger does not overcharge or overcurrent and provides a worry-free charging experience. Customers highly appreciate the charger's LED light indicators that tell how much the battery is charged. It helps in restoring battery and avoiding potential failures. The battery charger has a 10-year warranty and lifetime technical support to provide value for your money. Pros: 12 volts and 1.25 amps. 4-stage charging. Pocket-sized. LED light indicator. Cons: complicated manual. Our recommendation: we like the Battery Tender Plus battery charger because it is an all-in-one battery solution with low maintenance features. The battery charger is worry-free because it offers protection against most safety issues. The product buy link is in the description below. Number 3. Hi. Now, we discuss about Black Decker battery charger. So let's start. Key specifications. Input voltage, 12 volts. Item weight, 1.25 pounds. Charge current, 1.5 amp. Charging time, 2 hours. Key features. The Black Decker charger is also a battery maintainer, which helps keep deep cycle, lead acid, and AGM batteries' health in check. It has an automatic sensor that shuts off the charger once the battery is fully charged. It has an excellent safety protection design, which helps prevent reverse polarity, sparks, overcurrent, etc. The best part about the charger is that you can use the mount bracket to tuck it away and organize the wire neatly. The charger can help repair dead batteries through its pulse repair function, which is great for restoration. We like the Black Decker battery maintainer better than the ProLogix one because it is easy to use. We like how the 12 volts battery charger is compatible with various AGM, deep cycle, and lead acid batteries. It does not only help in charging the batteries but also has a mechanism to stop charging when the battery is fully charged. People love to invest in Black Decker battery maintainers due to its multi-stage charging mode. It offers a fast mode, detection mode, and trickling mode. The battery charger helps in cutting down charging and also helps in preventing overcharging. If you are new to technical stuff, you would highly appreciate the LED indicators on the Black Decker charger. It helps keep you updated about the charging status and how much more time is needed. It also has a repair function that helps restore a lost battery and avoids potential issues. The pocket-friendly battery charger is only 15.8 ounces, quite lightweight, and easy to carry. One of the great parts about the Black Decker battery charger is that it has a temperature detection mode and helps provide power according to the surroundings. Pros: 12 volts. Comes with a mounting bracket. Built-in short circuit protection. Cons: not for bigger batteries. Our recommendation: we enjoy the safe and efficient Black Decker battery charger as it has smart modes for seamless power delivery. Its pocket-friendly design is worth the praise and helps fully charge the battery in a few hours. Number 4. Now we discuss DieHard 6-volt and 12-volt shelf smart battery charger and 2-amp maintainer. So let's start. Key specifications. Input voltage, 12 volt. Item weight, 1.34 pounds. Cooling fan, yes. Material, ABS plastic. Key features. The DieHard Smart Battery Charger is perfect because it has different modes that can charge various types of batteries. One of the best parts about the battery charger is its 5-stage charging process. It has an LED light indicator that flashes to let you know the current charging stage. The battery charger automatically switches to a different mode to meet the changing needs of your battery. It has a feature that prevents overcharging to avoid damaging your battery over time. The DieHard Smart Battery Charger is great as it restores dead battery life and provides a powerful engine start. It is better than the Mower 2-amp because it provides 5-stage charging modes. It is a great lawnmower battery charger due to its vast safety protection. One of the best parts about battery chargers is that it is extremely compatible with various batteries providing fast charging. It has an instant repair function, which is phenomenal as it helps extend battery life and improve its health. If you are considering getting a DieHard Smart Charger, you should get it instantly because its versatile modes will be a game changer. It has winter mode, normal mode, AGM mode, motorcycle mode, truck mode, etc. It has the newest control, which helps adjust the temperature according to the surroundings. It avoids overcurrent in the summers and provides adequate charge in the winters. It has protection against reverse polarization, which is ideal for providing safety against short circuit, overheating, and overcurrent. We like the automatic charger, which switches between charging modes according to battery type. It has an LED indicator that flashes if you don't put the clamps right. Pros: 5-stage charging, LED indicator, quick connect harness. Cons: slow customer service. Our recommendation: if you are looking for a charger that protects battery health, the DieHard Smart Charger is an apt choice. We like its easy use, with a 5-stage precise charging and better battery monitoring. Number 5. Now, we discuss about IEIK 12-volt 5-amp battery charger maintainer. So let's start. Key specifications: input voltage, 240 voltage, item weight, 360 grams, charge current, 5 amp, charging time, 2 hours. Key features: the IEIK battery charger is also a maintainer, which helps keep deep cycle, lead acid, and AGM batteries' health in check. The battery charger has a 3-stage charging mode, which helps with fast charging and saves a lot of your time. It has an excellent design that helps in preventing reverse polarity, sparks, overcurrent, etc. Customers highly appreciate the charger's LCD screen, which helps track charge current, battery status, etc. The charger can help repair lost batteries through its pulse repair function, which is great for restoration. We like the IEIK battery maintainer better than the ProLogix one because it is straightforward. We like how the 12 volts battery charger is compatible with AGM, deep cycle, and lead acid batteries. It does not only help in charging the batteries but also maintains them and protects against potential battery failures. People love to invest in IEIK battery maintainers due to its 3-stage charging mode. It has a fast mode, detection mode, and trickling mode. The battery charger helps in saving your time and also helps in preventing overcharging. We love the battery's excellent design as it helps in providing seamless protection. The pocket-friendly battery charger is made with accident-proof material to avoid short circuits, overcurrent, and overheating. One of the best parts about the IEIK battery charger is that it has a weather detection mode and helps in providing power according to the surroundings. Pros: 12 volts battery charger, normal, summer, and winter mode. ABS flame retardant shell, copper alligator clip. Cons: not for bigger batteries. Our recommendation: we enjoy the safe and efficient IEIK battery charger as it has smart modes for seamless power delivery. Its compact design is worth the praise and helps fully charge the battery in 2 hours. The product buys link is in the description below. Number 6. Now we discuss about MEEARO 5-amp automotive smart battery charger. So let's start. Key specifications: input voltage, 240 voltage, item weight, 380 grams, charge current, 5 amp. Key features: the MEEARO battery charger is versatile and has a seamless power supply system. It has an intelligent 3-stage charging system, which includes fast charging, trickle-off, and top-off. It has an ABS fire retardant shell, which helps in keeping short circuits and fire at bay. The LCD screen display works phenomenally well to help figure out which mode is in action. We like the pulse repair system as it helps to avoid overcurrent and self-discharge from the batteries. Charging time 2 hours. The MEEARO battery charger is much better than the Mower battery charger because it has a battery display. It has an intelligent 3-stage battery charging system, which helps in preventing loss of current. The battery charger switches from fast charging mode to off-top and trickle mode. If you are looking for a battery charger with proper safety precautions, the MEEARO one is the best. It uses all the safety protocols to keep overcurrent, short circuit, overheating, etc. issues away. It also has an ABS fire retardant material house that does not catch fire. On the other hand, You will highly appreciate the LCD screen, which indicates the charging percentage, volts, etc. Apart from reverse polarity and fire protection, it has versatile modes which ensure your battery service life only extends. Lastly, its pulse repair function is the show's star as it helps prevent current loss and recover a dead battery. Pros: 3-stage charging, LCD screen, ABS fire retardant material. Cons: take longer to charge. Our recommendation: if you want a battery charger that protects your battery and extends its service lifespan, go for the MEEARO battery charger. It is great for beginners because of its easy-to-use metal clamps and the LCD screen. Number 7. Today we discuss about NextPeak Smart Battery Charger. So let's start. Key specifications: input voltage 240 volt, item weight 15.8 ounces, cooling fan yes, output voltage 12 volt. Key features: the NextPeak Smart Charger provides safe and fast charging that fits most vehicles. It has an excellent heat dispersion performance due to an inbuilt cooling system. The battery has smart controls and an exceptional safety system, protecting against overheating, fire, etc. NextPeak uses instant pulse repair technology, which helps in preventing potential battery failures. It has a smart temperature model that helps charge the battery according to the current weather. The NextPeak Smart Charger is better than the 10 amp variant because it works perfectly to charge a dead lawnmower. We like its temperature detection mechanism, which helps to avoid overcharging. It has both summer and winter models, providing sufficient power for your battery needs. The NextPeak Smart Charger is a great 12-volt battery charger for lawnmowers because it is pocket-sized, smart, and efficient. It is perfect for charging SUV, marine, automotive, and deep cycle batteries. The battery costs less than $30 and provides more efficiency than expected. One of the best parts about the battery charger is that it has 8 battery protection features. The battery has smart controls that detect current temperature and deliver power according to that. The material for the battery charger is fire resistant and also short-circuit proof. Pros: 12 volts and 6 amps, pulse repair technology, pocket-sized, LCD display. Cons: complicated manual. Our recommendation: we like the EEXP battery charger because it is an all-in-one battery solution with some maintenance features. The battery charger is worry-free because it offers safety protection against 8 potential issues.